Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, let's start this tutorial by downloading the Gcash application through Play Store. In here, you will click the Play Store and then you will type Gcash and then search. After that, you will just click install. We will wait for the Gcash to be installed and waiting for it to be downloaded. And then if it is 100% complete, we will just click open. After that, you will just click OK. And you will just allow Gcash to access your device. After that, we will just create our account by click register. And then you will enter your number. This is available in any network in the Philippines like Sun, Smart, and Globe. After entering your number, you will receive an authentication code via text. You will enter this code and click submit. After that, you will enter your personal information like first name, your last name, your birthday, and your personal email address. Click next to proceed with the next process. Please review your information. If all is correct, click submit. Next, you will enter your preferred 4-digit mobile PIN. After setting this up, you will just click submit. And now you are redirecting with the mobile app Gcash Home. You can see here all of the features that you can use on your online activities like cash in, wherein you can put money on your Gcash account. You can also send money to others which also have Gcash account. You can also buy a loan for yourself or others, which is available on Smart, Globe, and Sun. You can also pay bills on your Gcash account like water bills, credit cards, and electrical bill. And the best feature as well is you can transfer from your Gcash account to your bank through online. All of these features are just one click away. After creating a Gcash account, I will now teach you how to fully verify your account. On the Gcash Home, you will just click the 3 bars on the left upper part of the screen. Click the Verify Now under your profile picture. As you can see, you are a basic user. To proceed with verifying your account, just click Get Fully Verified. First, you will take a photo of your identification card. Any government ID will do. Next, you will take a photo of yourself. You will just put the camera on your face, blink your eyes, and then the picture is automatically captured. Lastly, you will double check your personal information, or you can add more information about yourself. If everything is correct, the verification is already complete. If you want to check if your account is fully verified, just go to your profile. You can check here that you are fully verified. So this will end our tutorial. If you learned something about this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell up. Have a great day guys. Bye!